Want to move your crypto from Coinbase over to crypto.com? Transferring between exchanges is a fundamental skill every crypto user should know. I'll show you the safe way. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Moving crypto lets you take advantage of different features on each platform. First, get your crypto.com deposit address. In the app, go to the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and tap Deposit. Copy the address it gives you. Then, in Coinbase, go to Send and paste that address. Double-check that the network, like ERC20 for Ethereum, matches on both sides. A crucial pro tip, always do a test transfer first. Before sending your entire balance, send a small, minimal amount to verify the address is correct and the networks match. This small fee is worth the peace of mind, ensuring you don't lose your entire holding to a simple mistake. And just like that, you can move your assets between platforms with confidence. Transferring crypto puts you in control of where you store and use your digital wealth. What's the smallest test amount you'd send? For your final question, subscribe for our next video on how to use the crypto.com exchange platform. Thanks for watching.